Design. The Amazfit Bit looks quite similar to the Apple Watch until you take a closer look, but the Stratos asserts its smartwatch style throughout the presentation, both inside and out. Resembling a big, bulky first-generation Wear OS smartwatch, the Stratos wears its circular watch build proudly. It even has the flat tire-laden display infamously introduced by the Moto 360. Built with a ceramic bezel that surrounds its Gorilla Glass-covered top, the Stratos gives off an undeniably premium aesthetic that will catch the eye of smartwatch enthusiasts. But it offers more than just good design. Encased stainless steel buttons and a carbon fiber catching around its case, the waterproof Stratos is actually as tough as it looks. This thick wearable is surprisingly light at 70 grams, and its 1.3-inch touchscreen always-on display is quite large and is easy to read thanks to a contrast-heavy presentation and backlight, yet the viewing angles aren't generous. For a fitness-focused wearable at this price, it's tough to ask for something more streamlined than what the Stratos provides. But if you're used to something like the Fitbit Ionic or the Apple Watch, this is going to feel monstrous. Thankfully, the Stratos yields a cozy fit, even when laced up tight enough to get an accurate heart rate reading, something we couldn't say about the Amazfit Core. Around the back of this fitness tracker is a heart rate sensor and charging port. While the former protrudes from the chassis quite a bit, it doesn't impact comfort in the slightest, and it might be the design call that helps this device get reliable heart rate readings.